Fire! Too powerful. Almost blew my house up.
What?
Black. Transformers has released the first shiny version. The hidden model is this metallic color, Megatron. Let's see who will open the first box. Oh no! Directly open the hidden Megatron. This luck is too exaggerated. The characteristic of the sparkling version is every building block have lights in it. Look, isn't it bright? As expected of the big boss, all over silver and go in blind. He had a big chimney on his back. It doesn't look environmentally friendly. This is the famous fusion cannon. It is said to be able to connect to unknown black holes, release the antimatter energy. The muzzle is hot and red. For Megatron, increase combat effectiveness directly 10,000 points. Fire! Too powerful. Almost blew my house up. Look, this is Megatron's Cybertron hammer. The color scheme is very beautiful. I finally have the biggest villain boss. Give it a pat. His eyes and chest still glow. Very cool. The energy block is also equipped with. Continue to open the second box. It is Optimus Prime who maintains the peace of the universe. Boss, how much is the watermelon? This is Optimus Prime's super energy axe. Do you think the energy axe and meteor hammer, which is more powerful? After turning off the lights, Optimus Prime's eyes and chest glowed fairy blue. It's a profound feeling. Leadership module, the core treasure of Cybertron society. Yes, it's mine. No one can take it away. Continue to open the third box. It is Cliff Jumper. Get out of the way. Let me deal with them. This rocket launcher is so handsome. Also brought orange transparent special effects. Why does it feel more powerful than Megatron's fusion cannon? Large areas of blue light on the face and chest. It's too exaggerated. Continue to dismantle. Autobot Jazz. He is very fond of ballet and breakdancing. High decibel stereo loudspeaker in hand. It's so theatrical. The blue light around the eyes is full of technology. Go stand by. And who will be the last two boxes? Green Acid Storm. Although he is timid and cowardly, would have the guts to throw acid rain down from the sky. Two arms are equipped with acid rain cannons. This kid is very bad. Yellow leg with a wide window on the chest, as warm as a campfire in the winter sill. Excellent Autobot Dr. Ratchet. Come on! He can still be rescued. EKG printed on chest. Very professional. The lip on his chest was brighter than Optimus Prime's. That's right. If irradiated with purple light, there are also unexpected effects. Their weapons seem ready to explode at any moment. Very explosive. This Transformers Sparkle Edition not only continues the classic, gives Transformers new vitality. Guess what character will be launched in the second round? Today is another happy day.